hiccuped. No, I literally need to sing right now. Please, please, please. You didn't hear. No, no, I had the wrong track. No, 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 no. I cannot get the hiccups right. Fuck, shit. No, no. Okay, I'm gonna hold my breath. Hold on. Okay, 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 okay. I'm trying to confuse my... Fuck! Oh, shit. Okay, well... I have the hiccups now. Great. Ow, and it's the painful hiccups. So Dr. Mike... I've been watching a lot of Dr. Mike. He says if you eat a teaspoon of sugar, it'll make your hiccups go away. And I've been really excited to try it. This is a lot of sugar. Do I have to do the whole thing at once? Eat like a bird. Peck. Peck, peck. Okay, well. Bottoms up. No time like the present. The shit fucking hurts. Okay. It's fucking weird. It's all over my lipstick. Oh. At least it's not salt. Ow. It didn't work. Shocker. I'm not shocked. I knew that wasn't gonna work. I've tried everything in the past, by the way, because I've gotten hiccups my whole life, and it just got worse from some medications. I know that sounds weird, but, like, I'm on a bunch of medications. The one that causes the hiccups more is omeprazole. Let's do top to bottom. Let's try. Let's try. Brandy's like, this is going well. Ow. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do box breathing, which is... in 2, 3, 4, out, hold 2, 3, 4, out 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're gonna do that. Cross that one off. Okay. Inhale a large gulp of air and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds and breathe out slowly. Repeat as necessary. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I should have kept trying, but I was laughing at this part that said never use a plastic bag. Oh my god. Place a paper lunch bag over your mouth and nose. Slowly breathe in and out, deflating and inflating the bag. Never use a plastic bag. That's so funny. Hug your knees. Sit down in a comfortable place. Bring your knees to your chest and lean forward. This also compresses the chest by putting pressure on the diaphragm. Okay. Okay. Attempting. How am I supposed to lean forward while my knees are to my chest? These hiccups are so intense. They're making me barfy. I look away. Oh god, I didn't just open my mouth. Well, it's doing something. I just tasted my dinner. Oh god, there's more dinner. Delicious. Okay. Is it working? Oh god, there's more dinner. Oh, delicious. If this works, nope, it didn't. Because that would be so cool. Because, like, I've gotten hiccups my whole life. And if the answer was literally just hug my knees to my chest, I would have been really angry. Ugh. Oh god, I was swallowing at the same time with that hiccup. Yup. Oh god. It's making my arms go numb. Is that bad? Okay, well, I think it's time to move on to the next one. Ow. Now that my arms are numb. Pull on your tongue. Pulling your tongue stimulates the nerves and muscles in your throat. Grab the tip of your tongue and gently pull it forward once or twice. That's the stupidest thing I've ever fucking heard. I'll do it. Got it. My nails are really long. Ow. Oh, this is working, right? I can't get a hold of my tongue without digging my nails in. Let your cat get your tongue. Come here, Butters. Ah. Did it work? No. No fucking way. No. No fucking way. No fucking way. No. Well, that was really cool for 5 seconds. Maybe. Nope. Okay, we're back. Squeeze your nose. All right. Ow. It's making my back hurt, dude. Is it working? This is stupid. How is this supposed to do anything? Okay, massage your carotid. Carotid. Massage your carotid artery. Bruh. I'm fucking dumb, dude. It's fucking ridiculous. Okay. And then turn your head to the left. And then massage your carotid artery. That's probably this, right? How many seconds did it say? 2 billion? Ow. Is it working? Is it time to give up yet? Is this the carotid artery? That's just gonna make me sore, bruh. That's just gonna make me sore. Okay, okay. I don't have ice water, but slowly sipping cold water. I'm just gonna drink this. That didn't work. There's ice cubes in here. Let me fish one out. Okay, now I'm actually gonna get a spoon. Oh god, now I'm back to barfing again. I have to swallow it whole. I'm fighting for my life here. Ugh. I'm trying really hard not to dump this all over. Oh, I have an ice cube. Ah. For a few minutes, goddamn. Okay, I'm gonna try and swallow it. I'm legit gonna have to pretend it's a pill. Okay. Wrong side of the... Wrong. Like this? How did I do it? You have to do this and then... Okay, so you have to, like, bend over and drink it like this. So I have to stand. My brother in Christ, I'm gonna fall. Okay. This is weird. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. I haven't... Nope, never mind. One more time. I haven't spilled. Well, that didn't work. So now I have evidence. So when I say I've tried every trick in the book to get rid of hiccups, y'all understand, and I have 4K proof, 3K proof that I have tried. I didn't fall, dude, but my wrists hurt now. Gargle? Let's try gargle. Okay, let me gargle. If anyone has any other ideas, let me know. Did it work? I'm like legitimately exhausted from all that. Okay, I'm not gonna think about it. 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 Nope. Not gonna think about it. No fucking way. Okay, I'm thinking about it. I'm gonna stop thinking about it. Okay, hi. Welcome to stream. We're just now beginning, and definitely everything's just fine, and I'm not gonna think about the thing that we've been working on this whole time. I'm gonna close this tab of health remedies and not think about the fact that I literally did every single thing that was on it, and the last thing worked for absolutely no reason, okay? Okay? Cool. Are you there? I'm there. Cool. Oh, man, that's awesome. Oh, okay. I'm really thankful. Woo! Okay.